Hey there, welcome to my room at the Aloft Dublin City. Come on in. When you first enter the room, the spacious bathroom is immediately on your right with a standing shower and with all of the amenities that you could need. Directly across is where you'll find the closet that has your robes and slippers, and then when you push the door to the side, you find more storage space, a safe, and your coffee and tea station. I stayed in a room with 2 double beds, very spacious for European hotel room standards, along with a desk, television, seating area, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Up on the 7th floor is where all the action is, so let's go check it out. Where you might just find Lofty, the robot butler, recharging before taking care of your needs. The rest of the 7th floor gives you plenty of places to hang, relax, and play games like pool, which is a special feature of this property. But there's plenty more things going on up here. Like indulge in their breakfast, which is very unique to this Aloft hotel. There's a variety of hot dishes to choose from every morning, along with fruits and cereals. There's something for everyone. Or have a drink at the WXYZ bar, along with 360-degree views of Dublin that you can get from inside or out on the balcony. Up on the 7th floor is also where you can get complimentary tea and coffee all day long. Back down in the lobby is not only where you'll find their large conference area, but you'll also find Tenters, their swanky and cozy gastropub. With a mix of Irish classics like seafood chowder, along with modern dishes, everything is mouth-watering and will leave you wanting to come back for more. The Aloft Dublin City is in a perfect location to get to all the top sites of Dublin, as you can even see it from the top of the Guinness Storehouse. Plus, they even have a car park for those day trips outside the city. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Aloft Dublin City with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.